Hello guys, welcome to another exciting episode. This was pretty exciting. So now remember to subscribe, comment and like so we can make more videos like this. Today we are working in these two beautiful 21s Rxp-x. Now this came to me because they spend a ton of money in these jet skis and they are not performing like they would like to. The numbers that they wanted to, or the numbers that they were suggested when they pay all that ton of money, were not there. So they find out about me and they brought me the two jet skis. So they have almost no arrows. This one has basically all the bolt-ons. Got the power filter from Riva, all the Riva stuff, the fuel rail, the regulator, the injectors. It has the 17-pound wheel. It has the Riva intake, pretty much everything Riva, but it's missing a couple of miles. So I'm gonna go through everything and see if they miss something. It's a lot of stuff to put on, and if you don't have the experience, you can miss something. And then this one, he has all the parts just like that one, but he's waiting. He's like, oh, I don't know if I want to do that because your numbers are not there. So if I do a good job on that, then he's gonna give me all the parts, and then we're gonna do this one just like that one. They're gonna be twins. So this one just has the filter from Works, basically a reflush, and I believe a prop. So basically that's all it has, pretty much stock. And it runs about 80, I think he told me 82, 83, somewhere in there. So what we're doing today is we are working on this thing, on this one and that one actually. I'm going to take off the two manifolds, the exhaust manifolds, so we can tap it and drill it so we can put a wideband. That's the first mistake people do. They start putting all these performance parts on the jet skis and they don't even know where the air fuel ratio is. How the heck are you gonna tune? You don't know, you're blindsided. You're just going, oh, okay, oh, it feels good. It's not like that. You have to look at a gauge, and it's all a numbers game. If the numbers are there, the jet ski's gonna run, or the car, whatever, the rocket, whatever it is that you're working on, the numbers need to be there. If they're not there, then you're gonna be frustrated like these guys did. So let's get to work. All right, so when you start working on this, in anything you work, you always get surprises. So I take off the filter and look at this, we got water. So now he might have another set of problems. So let's find out what kind of water is it. Ooh, it's salt water. That's not good. So all right, let's see what else we find. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it has a lot of smoke on the catch can, and it's having a really hard time starting. I think it's blown out. Let me see if it wants to start. See all the smoke, and it's just not even turning, and you can see all the smoke. Woo! That's a lot of smoke on the catch can. If I play with a throttle and give it a little bit of throttle, it will start and it will shut off as soon as you let go of the gas, and then you have all this smoke coming out of the breather. So we'll take a compression test and see what we got. So that right there tells me the motor is blown up, baby. So hey, look at the bright side. It's gonna have a better, faster motor now. It's only money. All right, so finished the maintenance on this. This is ready to go. This guy, I took all the spark plugs out, took an intercooler off. This is something very important that people don't pay attention to. This Jetski, for some reason, it had water in the supercharger. It was salt water, so that means it has water in the intercooler. So what you do is, I took the intercooler out, put a lot of water in here and in here. This is where the air flows through, and this is where the salt water or fresh water, whatever you have to cool the intercooler, flows to. So this is going to be sitting for a while since I'm going to be building the motor. So the last thing you want is to get corrosion in there, and it will significantly shorten the life of the intercooler. So this is something that you can do, and then you just blow it out with air and you're done. And your intercooler is going to last you longer, and you don't waste your money. All right, so got everything out. Pretty much the intake is out, dry shaft, motor is ready to come out. So take the motor out, and then comes the rebuilding part. Engine is out. So beautiful engine, 2021, but not so beautiful inside. So now we're gonna go ahead and tap this bad boy so we can put an O2 sensor on it and pretty much rebuild the whole engine, make it fast. Oh yeah, baby. And that's about it. And that is a wrap for this project. I will make another video rebuilding this bad boy and putting inside of the Jetski. So stay tuned, and I see you in the next one. Fearless.